All right, boys, this is my my little emergency blowout kit that I was telling you guys about that I put together myself. These little blowout kits are pretty easy to find. They got there's like, this is Velcro. There's a little Velcroable MOLLE attachment on the back, but I usually just take that off. So to get into it, this is just something that I put together myself. So you flip it open. I've got some burn cream, just like typical cling bandage. Here's a little mini pressure bandage. Couple of 4x4s, some sexy gold shears. Look at that. Just cut somebody right out of your life, just like that. So these are just 4x4s right here. And then in the top, this is just a large ace wrap pressure bandage. This is an Israeli bandage. Functions very similar to a tourniquet. This is a chest seal for GSW. So that's the bottom half of the kit as it unfolds. Then it unfolds this way. And these are the frickin' lifesavers that I was referring to. These are like Pedialyte electrolyte packs. This is by far what I've used the most out of the kit. I've used it one for myself and one for someone else that was having dehydration type symptoms. I'm not gonna take it out, but up right here is just a typical regular military style tourniquet. And right here is a SAM splint for like a long bone injury. You know, you can make a sling and swath, that type of thing. SAM splint's pretty self-explanatory. Let's see, I think that's about it at the bottom. And then this little final pouch right here is where I keep a lot of the OTC type of stuff. So this is the top two were mainly trauma oriented, and this is for like the boo-boos and more of the minor kind of stuff. So in here I've got a few more electrolyte packs, just regular extra ones, and little mini tubes of Gorilla Glue for like small nicks and cuts. You know, I'm sure you guys see that a lot in the hospital. Silk tape, regular Band-Aids, and this is a little bag of OTCs that I have, Benadryl, ibuprofen, acetaminophen, and Pepto-Bismol, in case you get the shits, right? I don't know if you ever got the shits. Neosporin, and a couple of little mini steri strips in case you actually have like kind of a more of a mild or moderate small laceration. And that's about it, guys. So that's kind of my little hybrid blowout first aid kit. I know Emery mentioned that he was going to order one. Just kind of look into, whenever you're shopping for them, look into how versatile is it going to be. This one's pretty well rounded as far as boo-boos and OTC medications, as well as like some of the heavier trauma stuff. I mean, I know that it's not perfect, but to carry this much stuff in a small confined space, it has some good coverage for stuff that you might come across. Later.